I bought it at a sale price, so I was able to use it at a better price than the regular price. You can choose from 3 activities that you like from the eligible content. I used one for the glass boat. I called the shipping company to make a reservation in advance, then showed the QR code at the reception desk, paid the 1,000 yen discount, and boarded the boat. They also accept reservations on the day, but you can check online for cancellations due to weather, so I recommend checking there. I used one for Okinawa World. When I showed the QR code at the counter on the day, they immediately issued me an admissions ticket. I used one for the Churaumi Aquarium. If you show the QR code at the souvenir shop called Umake's Market, which is about a 20-minute walk from the Churaumi Aquarium, they will give you an admission ticket. Please note that it is not the Churaumi Aquarium counter. I took a bus from Nago to the Churaumi Aquarium, walked to the souvenir shop to receive my admission ticket, and took a local bus from the bus stop Minami Gate, which is about a 2-minute walk from the souvenir shop, back to the Churaumi Aquarium and went to the aquarium. There aren't many buses, but if you can get on one, you can arrive in about 4 minutes. The free pass was purchased at a special price, and the half discount is very cost-effective. There are 3 attractions arranged: Churaumi Aquarium, Southeast Botanical Garden, and Okinawa Kingdom. For Churaumi Aquarium, you must first go to Haifeng Supermarket to exchange tickets, and the other 2 can be purchased at Seabreeze Supermarket. Exchange tickets on site for entry to the attraction. The Churaumi Aquarium is highly recommended. There are many marine creatures, including a large aquarium where you can watch whale sharks. There are also free dolphin shows and manatee and sea turtle aquariums outside the aquarium, which can be arranged together with your itinerary. The Southeast Botanical Garden is a bit old and boring. The Botanical Garden is relatively deserted, so you can stroll around and appreciate some plants. In the other area, there are cute animals such as capybaras. It will be more interesting to pay for feed and vegetables at close range. In addition, there are lighting facilities at night, and the atmosphere will be even more different, but the entrance fee is counting separately. I didn't participate this time. Okinawa Kingdom highly recommends it. You can actually walk into Yuchuen Cave to see the stalactite cave, which is very special. There are various handicraft workshops in the Cultural Kingdom that you can participate in for a fee. You have enough time to find a project that you're interested in and make your own. Souvenir. Great trip. Adults and children had a lot of fun. The attractions are not too far away from each other. DMM Aquarium is really worth the money. Although it is a small aquarium, we still spent almost 3 hours there. The pineapple tour bus at Nago Pineapple Farm is also very interesting. The pineapples are sweet and delicious. Buy as many pineapple products as you can. Cinderella, the steam train in the zoo, will take you around the park first. Then take a walk around the entire park. Feeding the little pandas was fun. You can also see sloths and other rare animals in the Rare Animals Museum. Wild boars are cute too. Well worth the money. You can take advantage of the buy one get one free offer. It's only over 600 per person. I placed an order in early January and happened to get the price of 1,300 for 2 people, which is quite cheap. Compared to other tickets, the tour pass is the most affordable. It is worth the money just to visit Churaumi Aquarium and Okinawa Culture Kingdom. Due to time constraints, I only visited the animal area in Southeast Botanical Gardens, which was also very interesting. I recommend buying it. Warning emoji. You need to go to the nearby Seabreeze Supermarket to redeem the Churaumi Aquarium tickets. Warning emoji. It is not certain whether the ticket can be used for the Southeast Botanical Garden night lighting event. You need to ask the park. The ticket should only be valid for daytime tickets. Got the ticket at 50% off. Worth. Easy to use. Just show or exchange the ticket at counter. Worth for the values. Include voucher discount for yakiniku.